जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So yesterday we read that there is consciousness in every living entity. That is a common factor. But when that consciousness is centered only and only on Krishna, which is Krishna consciousness, then it is pure. Such consciousness is pure. And when uh, consciousness is centered on something other than Krishna, or it is directed to sense gratification, then it may be called non-Krishna consciousness. So it is in the polluted state that the conception of non-Krishna comes. Non-Krishna means, so whenever consciousness is completely centered on Krishna, then that is Krishna consciousness. And when we are forgetful of Krishna, so our consciousness is centered around our own self gratification, sense gratification. That is impure consciousness, polluted state. And therefore it is non-Krishna. In the pure state, however, there is nothing but Krishna consciousness. Everything revolves around Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. Active interest in Krishna, the understanding that Krishna is mine, and I think we read this yesterday. This paragraph was done. Yes. Uh, Sorry. So we've completed this paragraph also. That what is Shantaras? In Shantaras, there are two main qualities. One is unflinching faith in Krishna, and second is there are no material desires. If these two qualities are there in someone, we understand that this person is in Shantaras. Now, depending on what other qualities are there, we will understand that that whether this person is in a higher rasa or just on Shantaras. So when somebody starts serving, when somebody is doing some devotional service, then we understand that this person is in dasya ras, because now they have started offering some service to Krishna. So the first level is Shantaras, and then the next is when one understands that Krishna is mine and I am Krishna's, and therefore my business is to satisfy the senses of Krishna. This sense, this Krishna, and Krishna is mine, I am Krishna, this kind of a personal feeling comes at a stage which is much higher than the Shantaras. Shantaras is neutrality, uh, that you have unflinching faith in the Supreme Lord and you have no material desires. But you don't even have an active devotional service engagement. You are not doing any devotional service. So that means we are in a neutral state, Shantaras. We are not in the higher rasas. This is the first rasa. So, after many, many births of worshipping Brahman and Paramatma, when one surrenders unto Vasudev as the Supreme Master and accepts himself as the eternal servant of Vasudev or Krishna, he becomes a great transcendentally realized soul. At that time, due to his intimate relationship with the Supreme Absolute Truth, the devotee begins to render some sort of transcendental loving service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, the neutral relationship, Shantaras, is now transformed into Dasyaras or servitorship. Then, on the platform of Dasyaras, one exhibits the greatest quality of awe and veneration for the Supreme Lord. That is, I think we read this also. Uh, yes. No, we did not read this. Hmm.
No, this we have not read.
This we have not read, right?
No, no,
Previous
no.
paragraph we have read, right? The
Yeah,
previous one?
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
we have start reading today on the platform of Dasarasa.
Okay, okay. Thank you
Yeah.
very much, Prabhu. On the platform of Dasyaras, one exhibits the greatest quantity of awe and veneration for the Supreme Lord. This we discussed yesterday, actually. That in the platform of Dasyaras, one is in awe, one is in admiration of the Lord, that He is the Supreme, He is the greatest. Wow, what opulences the Lord has! What is not possible for the Lord? So one is exhibiting the greatest level of awe, or greatest quantity of awe and veneration for the Supreme Lord. That is, in Dasyaras, one appreciates the greatness of the Supreme Lord. It should be noted here that on the platform of Shantaras, there is no spiritual activity, but on the platform of Dasyaras, the service begins. Thus, in Dasyaras, the quality of Shantaras is exhibited, and in addition, there is consciousness of the transcendental taste of service. Seva, service is there. That is Dasya. Because how servitorship, Dasyaras is in English is servitorship. So without service, there cannot be servitorship. Then the next level in Sakhyaras, fraternity, the transcendental qualities of Shantaras and Dasyaras are certainly present. So there is unflinching faith in Krishna, there are no material desires, there is transcendental service also. They are already present. But beyond these, there is another quality, that is confidential attachment, which is pure transcendental love. Confidential attachment. Certain things we don't even share, we may not even be comfortable sharing with our parents, but we share with a best friend, with our intimate friend. So that kind of confidential attachment, Sakhyaras, and this is in pure transcendental love. This confidential attachment for the Supreme Personality is technically known as Vishrambha. On the platform of Vishrambha, there is no sense of awe or veneration toward the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In friendship, awe and veneration will spoil the friendship. If you admire someone a lot, then you can never be that person's friend. You have to come at the same level. You have to feel at the same level. Only then you can be somebody's friend, or only then you can feel. Uh, when you feel that our frequencies match, then we say, my best friend. So the frequency needs to match. And when there is a matching of frequency, then we cannot say, oh, I admire you so much. Oh, then that part does not come there. It goes beyond that. It is beyond that means one is in so much love, transcendental love with the Supreme Lord, that they have crossed the level of awe and veneration or appreciation of the Lord in the greatest level. So, on the platform of Vishrambha, there is no sense of awe or veneration toward the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, in the transcendental fraternal relationship, Sakhyaras, there are three transcendental qualities. One is the sense of greatness, second, the sense of service, and third, the sense of intimacy without awe or veneration. Sense of greatness is there. Oh, my Lord, who is also my friend, is so great. The Sakhas always used to call Krishna. They could not stay even one moment without Krishna. Constantly thinking about Krishna, the beautiful qualities of Krishna. Oh, Krishna killed Putana. You know what happened? Actually, these Sakhas were the ones who would describe who would narrate all the incidences. How Krishna killed Putana, how Krishna killed Aghasura, how Krishna killed Bakasura. Everything was narrated by these Sakhas only because they were constantly admiring Krishna. But in Sakhyaras, there was not awe and veneration, but there was always the sense of greatness that Krishna is great. Then there was sense of service, always for the pleasure of Krishna, and sense of intimacy without awe or veneration. Thus, Sakhyaras adds one transcendental quality to the already existing qualities of Shantaras and Dasyaras. Similarly, on the platform of parental affection, Vatsalya Ras, now there are four qualities. In addition to the three qualities that are already mentioned previously, there is the sense that the Supreme Lord is dependent on the mercy of the devotee. Mother Yashoda thinks Kanha is dependent on me. If I don't give milk to Krishna, then what will happen to him? Then he will be hungry. Then he will start crying. If I don't feed him, he will become thin. He will lose his weight. So Mother Yashoda was constantly thinking what to feed him when, so that Krishna's weight doesn't reduce, so that Krishna doesn't become thin. Oh, when there is dust on his face, Mother Yashoda would tell him that Krishna, please come, because I need to wash you nicely, and then you can again go back to play. And then Mother Yashoda would say that, see, look at your friends, they have nicely taken, they have washed themselves, they have bathed, and now they have come with all these, nice jewelry, and they are looking so nice. So you also come. I need to, give bath to you. So Mother Yashoda is thinking that the Supreme Lord is her son. So she cannot see she doesn't think that she is dependent on Krishna. She is thinking that Krishna is dependent on her. That is the fourth uh, specific quality of this parental affection, Vatsalya Ras. As a parent of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the devotee sometimes chastises the Lord. Mother Yashoda is chastising the Lord. Why are you being so naughty? Don't you get butter in our house? We are having so these 9 lakh cows. We are having these what? This special cows, specially for you. We are getting the milk and we are making butter, and you are going and stealing in others' houses. So Mother Yashoda is scolding Krishna. The devotee sometimes chastises the Lord and considers himself the Lord's maintainer. Mother Yashoda is always concerned when Giridhari Govardhan, Krishna has lifted the Giriraj Govardhan on his little finger, but Mother Yashoda is thinking, oh, this mountain, if this mountain is on my son's finger, oh, he must be tired. So she started scolding Govardhan. Hey, can you go up? Why are you putting all your weight on my son's finger? Huh? You don't understand. He's such a small boy. So Giriraj Govardhan got scared of Mother Yashoda, so he started floating in the air. There was a little gap between the finger and Giriraj Govardhan's base. So there was little gap because Mother Yashoda scolded and Giriraj Govardhan got scared. So this is the bhav, this is the special quality in Vatsalya Ras, that the devotee is chastising the Lord, considers the devotee considers himself as the Lord's maintainer, that they are maintaining the Lord. And this transcendental sense of being the maintainer of the Supreme Maintainer is very pleasing to both the devotee and the Supreme Lord. Krishna enjoys this rasa. The Lord instructed Srila Rupa Goswami to write the transcendental literature named Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, the science of devotional service. The science of devotional service. Devotional service is not sentimental or emotional, it is a science. And who is saying this? Sriman Mahaprabhu. And he has instructed Srila Rupa Goswami to write this book and indicate therein the substance of the 5 transcendental relationships with the Lord: Shanta, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Madhuraras. It is explained in that great literature, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, how the transcendental relationship of Shantaras, taking the shape of unflinching faith in Krishna, is further developed into Dasyaras with the spirit of service, and then to Sakhyaras or undeterred fraternity, and further to the transcendental platform of parental love, wherein one feels himself to be maintaining the Lord. All these transcendental relationships culminate on the highest platform, conjugal love. So they all come, and the culmination, the top epitome, uh, Shiromani, Chuda, on the highest platform is the conjugal love, Madhura Ras, wherein they all exist simultaneously. So we'll start the second chapter tomorrow. We can read little bit. Chapter 2, Sanatan Goswami, Srila Sanatan Goswami. Vande Anantad Bhutaishwaryam Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhum Nichopi Yat Prasadat Syad Bhakti Shastra Pravartakah. I offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by whose mercy even a person in the lowest status of life can find direction in transcendental devotional service to the Lord. So, Krishna willing, we'll continue reading tomorrow. Thank you so very much. By your kind and invaluable association, we completed chapter 1 and now we are on chapter 2. We'll read the instructions that were given to Srila Sanatan Goswami by Mahaprabhu. Vanchakalpatrubhyascha kripa sindhubhayeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Srila Jai Pataka Swami Guru Maharaj ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari
हरी
Bol.
हरी बोल हरी बोल।